Do you find it hard to resist fast food, fried treats, sweets, and soda? Do you drive everywhere, even just around the corner, and have a few extra pounds to show for it? Well, you're not alone. Everyone wants a healthy heart, yet cardiovascular disease remains the #1 cause of death in the world. The good news? Swapping bad habits for healthy choices makes a massive long-term difference. In this video, I'm going to reveal the 10 worst habits for your heart and how to turn them into wins for your health. Before we jump in, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell. Share this video with friends and family. Health is always worth sharing. And tell me in the comments, do you have healthy habits, or is there something you struggle with? Where are you watching from? The 10 worst habits for your heart are, number 1, neglecting your oral health. You might wonder, what do your teeth have to do with your heart? Everything. Dental hygiene goes beyond a white smile. Plaque buildup, cavities, and gum disease harbor harmful bacteria that can enter your bloodstream, damage heart valves, causing a serious condition called endocarditis, and trigger body-wide inflammation that accelerates atherosclerosis. What to do? Brush your teeth and tongue at least twice a day, floss daily, see your dentist regularly, and avoid tobacco. In second place we have, ignoring snoring. Snoring isn't just an annoyance for your partner, it's a warning sign. The constant vibration inflames carotid arteries, and snoring often points to sleep apnea, interrupted breathing during sleep. Apnea spikes blood pressure, causes serious arrhythmias like atrial fibrillation, and increases the risk of heart attacks and strokes. What to do? Try sleeping on your side, manage your weight, avoid alcohol before bed, and consult a doctor for oral appliances or other treatments if needed. The third place is, binge-watching and sitting for hours. Sitting for long stretches harms your heart even if you exercise daily. Prolonged inactivity alters how your body processes fats and sugars. Research shows that sitting for over 8 hours a day carries a mortality risk similar to smoking and obesity. What to do? Get up every 30 minutes, take phone calls standing up, go for short walks, and keep moving throughout the day. In fourth we have, smoking or living with a smoker. You've heard it a million times, but it bears repeating, smoking is an absolute disaster for your heart. It promotes blood clots, clogs arteries, and fuels inflammation. Plus, secondhand smoke is lethal. Non-smokers exposed to smoke face a 24% higher risk of heart attack and a 30% higher risk of lung cancer. What to do? Quit smoking for good, and seek medical support if you need help stopping. The fifth worst habit is isolating yourself and bottling up stress. Internalizing stress and cutting off social ties physically hurts your heart. Research shows that social isolation or weak relationships increase heart attack risk by 29% and stroke risk by 32%. Having a support network to talk about your fears protects your cardiovascular system. What to do? Strengthen connections with family, friends, and neighbors. Even if you enjoy alone time, don't completely disconnect from others. In sixth place we have skipping fruits and vegetables. The world's healthiest diets, like DASH and the Mediterranean diet, are built around fruits and veggies. People eating more than 5 servings of fruits and vegetables daily have a 20% lower risk of heart disease compared to those eating under 3 servings. What to do? Cut back on sugar, fried foods, and refined flour. Eat whole foods, veggies, fruits, whole grains, fish, poultry, beans, and nuts. Eggs are great too, in moderation, 1 to 2 per day. The seventh worst habit is overdoing the salt. Most people consume double the recommended amount of salt without realizing it, largely hidden in processed foods. Excess sodium triggers high blood pressure, kidney problems, and heart failure. What to do? Avoid ultra-processed foods and season your meals with natural options like garlic, onion, lemon, and herbs. If your kidneys are healthy, consider low-sodium potassium salt blends. In eighth we have assuming you're not at risk. Don't assume you're safe just because you feel fine or used to be an athlete in your 20s. High blood pressure, diabetes, and high cholesterol are silent killers. They don't show symptoms until serious damage is done. What to do? Get regular blood tests and medical checkups. If you take medication for a condition, never stop taking it just because you feel fine. In ninth place we have overindulging in alcohol. While tiny amounts of alcohol are debated for minor benefits, heavy drinking raises blood pressure, spikes triglycerides, increases heart failure risk, and leads to weight gain. What to do? If you drink, cut down significantly. If you don't drink, don't start. And in 10th and last place we have, ignoring your body's warning signs. Leg pain when walking, unusual fatigue climbing stairs, or chest pain at rest aren't just getting older. Chest pain can be unstable angina or a heart attack, and in cardiology, time is muscle. What to do? Never wait for pain to pass on its own. Seeking medical care immediately reduces the risk of permanent, irreversible heart damage. To recap, take care of your mouth, sleep well, move often, say no to smoking, build strong relationships, eat whole foods, watch the salt and alcohol, get regular checkups, and listen to your body. If you enjoyed this video, share it so more people can get this vital information. Check out the recommended playlists on screen for hypertension and diabetes. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.